Well, it's alright. Riding around in the breeze. Well, it's alright.
Guess who?
Where'd he go?
Life you please. Well, it's alright. Doing the best you can. Well,
Hang on!
as long as you lend a hand. Maybe somewhere down the road away, you'll think of me and wonder where I am these days. Maybe somewhere down the road when somebody
Which way? Get out of here!
well, it's alright. Even when push comes to shove, well, it's alright. If you got someone to love, well, it's alright. Everything will work out fine, well, it's alright. We're going to the end of the line.
Wow. Look at all those stars. They're like diamonds. My grandfather says it can take hundreds of years for the light of a star to reach Earth. And by the time we see it, the star might not even exist anymore. Isn't that crazy?
A light shines, even though the star is gone.
Yeah, it does. I wonder which one you came from, Shadow.
I don't know. I don't know anything about my home.
This is your home, Shadow. Earth.
Maria, do you think I'm dangerous?
What are you talking about?
The way the scientists look at me, I can tell they're afraid. Like I'm the horrible thing from that movie we watched. I don't know what I am.
You're my friend. And you can do or be anything you want. Not because of your powers, but because of who you are in here.
I don't know what I'd do without you.